Hello everyone, glad you could join us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here doing a walk around with you on a 2012 Honda CR-V. The point of our walk arounds is to be as transparent as possible, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Honda, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus get a free CARFAX report, view the original window sticker, grab some financing options, or get a shipping quote to ship the CR-V anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the CR-V, so let's go ahead and get that walk around started. Alright everyone, we are going around the CR-V. As you can see, good tread on the tires, wheels are in good shape. Front hood piece here has a couple of chips, nothing too crazy, a couple little scratches. This is right here on the front bumper, a few in a row. A little bit of clear coat, real hard to see, has faded out there. There is a ding here, it's very, very shallow. Wouldn't see it if I wasn't zooming in on it, but you have to remember that this car has been on the road for 10 years and 150 plus thousand miles. That being said, this CR-V is in well above average condition. A little fading on the black bumper there. All in all, if you're looking for a dependable, lower cost vehicle, going to take care of you for a good long time, this is one to consider. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, showing you what doesn't show up or might not in our pictures. There is a small spot here on the door panel. The headliner, a little discoloration there on the visors. Other than that, the headliner and the sunshade looks really good. For 10 years and 150 plus thousand miles, this thing is really well taken care of. The dash has no damage to it at all. If you have any questions about the condition inside or out, or financing questions, anything we can answer at all, there's a number at the top of your screen. Give it a call and we'll be happy to answer anything. Thank you.